Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Oukitel OT11. You have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then click on Google Assistant and now click on Hey Google and voice match. Then click here on Hey Google and now click on more and I agree. Then click on next, click on next again and then click I agree. Now click on retrain voice match model and now you have to say okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click next again and then click I agree. Now go back and then click on lock screen and click here to make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.